In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear liftgate support on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Using a small pick, we're going to get under this tab, pull it out, and we can pop the rod off of the stud. And we'll go to the top and do the same thing. Install the new support. You can have these in the closed position, and we're just going to push it onto the ball. Do the same thing on the bottom. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.